We want your State Farm claims process to be as easy as possible. That's why we offer Select Service, a network of auto body shops that have agreements with State Farm committed to providing quality repairs in a timely manner. With Select Service, you can get your estimate written and repairs completed all in one place. You'll get quality work with a guaranteed completion date. Repairs come with a lifetime limited warranty. Your repair shop will pick up and deliver your car to you upon request. They'll even wash and vacuum your vehicle after repairs are complete. Using Select Service is easy. If you decide to use a repair shop in the program, a State Farm representative can help you by phone, or you can use an even quicker option. Go online to explore shops in your area at your convenience. Use the new claim email you received or log into your State Farm account to select your repair shop. When the repair is complete, you'll pay your deductible to the shop and State Farm will handle the rest. If you'd prefer to use a repair shop that is not part of the Select Service program, no worries. You'll just need an estimate from State Farm before scheduling repairs with your shop of choice. We know how stressful a claim can feel, so we encourage you to take advantage of this quick, convenient service from State Farm. It's just another way we're here to help life go right.